video update. It's been a while since we did a video. We've been doing a lot of motos, a little bit of videos. I am tentatively getting ready for War in the Woods. I got the trans here. The trans was freshly rebuilt while we were in Bradenton, but which I failed to videotape because I'm horrible at doing stuff on my own. I'm incapable of doing anything but driving a race car. I got my converter apart right now. All the pieces are in the parts washer because it had a bunch of black, nasty soot. I took a couple of pictures, but I was too dumb to take a video of it. I'm a little rusty at this. We've been real busy lately, just trying to work on stuff and get stuff done. So I'm a little rusty on my video skills, so just bear with me here. So yeah, I'm gonna pull the pan off the trans, just make sure nothing looks crazy in there. I really think my last pass, like the car launched and then like went like a foot and just went straight to the limiter. And I really think the guy, Tony, I think Tony was his name, smart dude. He was looking at the pump gears. He's like, you could take one of your spacers out that's you put in between the converter and the flywheel. And I should have known better. I knew it was right, but I took it out and I think it just pulled the converter out of the pump. So I think that's all the issue was, but I'm hesitant to put it all back in and then go out there and try to race without knowing for sure. So I'll probably I'll just take the pan off, kind of go through the trans, make sure nothing's crazy or looks weird. And then I'll go like do a hit on the street or something to make sure it doesn't do the same thing. So yeah, converter's gonna go back together, trans goes back together, put it back in. And we've been slowly robbing parts off my car for other cars and customer cars. So I'm gonna go through and replace all the little stuff that we stole off of it. And then I'll probably race with the turbos that I have on there, the 8082s. And then Robert, I think has some 9288s or 8892s. I'm not sure. He said 9288, so I don't know if he meant 8892s. I'm not sure, but he says there's some real trick stuff. So we'll be going bigger turbos. I kind of want to change the rear gear, but I don't want to change too much before War in the Woods because I know what I got for now works. I've never been on a sketchy track, so who knows what it's going to do. But that's where we're at. Well, boys, that's weird because I literally completely rebuilt this, had it completely rebuilt, all brand new stuff, drove it to town, did one burnout, and then it moved 5 foot, and now this is what we got. I don't know what I did wrong, but it don't look right, that's for sure. That's supposed to be red. And it's not just the lighting in here either. Man, that looks bad. I'm hoping this might just be junk left over in the tranny lines, but I don't think my tranny lines had that much junk in them, so. Apart she comes. It's not looking good, boys. We got nothing but junk in here. That's not even one pass. That's literally starting it, driving it 5 miles to the gas station, driving it back, and one burnout because it never made a pass. And the fluid I put in there is not even red. It was clear, hydraulic fluid. And this is black. I don't know what I did so wrong, but something's definitely wrong. All right, I got the valve body out, and I just moved the band over a little bit, and it turns out, I don't know how this is physically possible. The band is junk and the clutch drum is junk, which we literally, I forget the guy's name, Stevie or Tony. Tony? Oh. This was a brand new band and a brand new clutch hub. Brand new. And I'm not saying obviously it's not what he did, but I have something that is causing this thing to eat bands and clutch hubs. Literally not even one pass on it. Not even one pass. Not even one pass. Maybe 10 miles and a burnout, and this is what I get. So got to figure that out. Probably just gonna go through the whole thing again and see how that goes. So that's where we're at. It's gonna need I'm gonna replace the little washer that needs replaced in this freaking planetary set. Obviously gonna end up doing all new clutches. Gonna have to get another clutch drum and another band. The clutch drum was the main thing. I had a 10 clutch drum and it got ruined, so we did this 6 or 7 clutch drum he had sitting around, so I had to buy that and all the other stuff, and now it's all junk too, so have to figure this one out before we burn more stuff up.
4 to 6 days later.
All right, boys, we got everything here. My buddy, oh, sorry, my camera's dirty from my sweaty face. It's actually hot in Indiana today. Whew. But I got everything here. My buddy Bill Elder's house, aka Wild Bill. He's like local living legend when it comes to power glides. He taught me everything really that I do know about power glides. Not that I know much, but he's the go-to guy around here. He's who used to build all my power glides, and I moved away, so he hasn't built them recently, but I wanted to learn more about it myself this time and go through it myself, so he let me come over to his shop and he's teaching me everything. I'm waiting on him to get home from work right now, so I'm actually assembling this high gear clutch drum by myself, and it's probably gonna be wrong, so it'll probably make me tear it back apart, but I'm just trying to do stuff while I wait on him. So War in the Woods is this weekend. I got my buddy Jordan Crozier. He's sending me a fuel pump drive cable. The trans will be done tonight. I'm gonna head home and try to put it in tonight, and then go from there. Hopefully fire it up tomorrow, go through some few maintenance things, and then get her done, boys, so we can go racing this weekend. Come on.
The next day.
I haven't been on camera for a while. I don't know what to do. Shut up! As you can see, Moose still over there getting mad at everything. Look at him. Look how mad he is right now. Alright, well, boys, what we have here is Uncle Sam. You may have forgot about her, but her, him, whatever. Hey, you can't come over here just because we're shooting a video, dude. Go. Gosh, trying to steal my shine. I haven't been on camera in how long? You've been on all the camera doing shit, and I haven't been on, and now you want to steal my shine? I was not around. I was doing cool stuff. So, Uncle Sam's back from the month dead.
He took that from me.
No, you didn't. I showed you that video, so
No,
shut up.
he took that from me.
I fixed this fuel cable or fuel line where it was broketed, and then my buddy Jordan Crozier loaned me this fuel pump drive cable because mine is still not back from Walker Mountain. So we got her all tied, zip tied, cable supported, all the stuff they tell you should do. All that's done. Trans is back in. Trans seems to be good. My buddy Bill helped me. He gave me a bunch of parts, and slowly, or not slowly, but he showed me how to do everything. Like, he took his time to show me how to do it all, which was awesome of him. And he's already taught me a bunch of times, but obviously I forget it every other time. So that's all back in. Everything's good. Alan's still letting us use old Trusty here. Still got old Trusty in there. I screwed up, and I left the car outside because I kept thinking I was gonna work on it, but obviously we were busy. We put the car cover on it, and then I put a salt bag on top of it to hold the cover on. Well, the salt bag, it rained, and the bag leaked through, and then leaked through the car cover, and then basically leaked and corroded every single piece of the motor and chassis. Stop! Ugh. Stop it! Stop it! What is wrong with you? Stop it! So I'm getting ready to Scotch-Brite some of this and throw some paint on it just so it's not literally rusting in half. And then I kind of got stuff cleaned up, got the stereo hooked back up.
Oh yeah, we need that.
And then yeah, get her loaded on the trailer and maybe hopefully make some test passes tomorrow, but we'll see.
Tomorrow at Muncie?
Yeah, if I can get there early enough, I'm gonna see if he'll let me make a hit on the front side, but I'm not holding my breath, so. Yeah, no, I don't care about testing for the backside. I'm just gonna wing it on the backside because this is obviously not set up for backside, but my main focus is to make sure it goes straight on no prep front side.
Ready for War in the Woods, boy!
Yeah, gonna be warring around in the woods this weekend.
Doing some gangster shit.
Per usual. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's where we're at right now. Everything so far is so good.
Knock on wood.
Any questions, Zach? Anything you'd like me to cover that I have not covered? No. We're gonna win a lot of money this weekend. What do you think, Pond Rat?
The car went real well.
Car ran good. Did the car run good?
Car ran good.
Car ran good?
Car ran real good, huh?
Real good, huh?
Yeah.
Real good.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Give us your 2 cents, group. What's gonna happen this weekend?
Tell him, Bubby. Tell him. Get him, Bubby.
Oh, there you go, get him, Bubby. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Tell him.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there's Opie. I was like, yeah, I'll tell him, guys.
Yeah, he's like, what are you guys talking about?
Yeah. All right, that's it. That's what we're doing.
Cut!
Cut.
Cut!
We made it. Alex came and picked the car up yesterday. I think, what, you got that on camera, right? Alex came and picked the car up yesterday after we finished everything. He got me stickered up with some stickers he had because I didn't have a Mid-America Custom sticker on it yet. Didn't have our OG banner on it, so he hooked me up with that. He got everything ready. He just got here. We're gonna get it unloaded. I'm gonna throw my wheelie bars on it, get the front end on it. I gotta mount, just bolt on the radiator and the transcooler, and then we're gonna see if Muncie will let me make a frontside hit real quick. So, gonna get her on jack stands, get everything lined out, and then try to make a test set.
Well, we're gonna see if this thing does any. Last time he let off the trans brake is 15 milliseconds of cool. Let's try to get 30 out of it this time.
That'll work. You're driving right?
That'll work.
Right? Did it go a little right?
Yeah, I just kind of drove him over that way.
Oh yeah, sure did.
Perfect. I mean, it's not straight, but it basically didn't just break as soon as you let off the button, so that's a victory. That's what we needed. That's all we cared about.
My bump didn't work.